Well, hello. I know I am behind here. Yeah, I'm gonna unbox some glasses that are coming. I should have taught you about proper eyewear. Let me see if I can hold you still here. Gotta stay away from the phone. The lighting. My eyes are super sensitive. And anyway, I've been working with my stuff here, and I'll show you the glasses I should have been wearing. I got about 3,000 watts above my head most of the time. And just because it doesn't pull that much out of the wall doesn't mean it's not been raining down on me, and I can barely see. So my friend told me if I had the flash on here, hopefully I could brighten it up when I edit it. But this is my October update. Sorry, I know. But let me take you through. The Creeping Charlie, I hope you can see that when I brighten it up. Anyway, he's doing well. I had a lot of fungus gnats in here, and the geranium did well. These I just stuck in here. I'll talk to you about that in a little bit. I got 2 new plants from my family, and I'll show them to you as we go through. I kind of let them dry out. I've been so sick that I'm lucky I got anything done. And I hope you can see the pink princess back there, because she's doing really well. Oh yes, I wanted to show someone something of all times. Okay, with this moss pole, I don't know how well you can see in this lighting, but the roots, they will try to go into the moss pole, and you will have another plant. You can keep cutting as it gets taller. But see, it's doing really well in there. And it's baby love. This little baby's doing pretty good in there. Can you see that? I hope so. And my stupid little moss pole I put in there, I like that. And I think this is Sapotho. Oh, I don't remember its name, but it's standing up tall. It's doing well. I like this up here. It gets kind of funky looking, but it does keep the fungus gnats away. I forgot its name because I'm in love with this one here so much. I'm hoping it will come up. It's my Cebu Blue Potho. So, yeah, it looks half dead, but it's not. It'll come up. And my anthurium. My dad was really trying to sell me on buying one of these at the store, and I told him I had one. This is that one I got from Walmart, half price at the end of the season, and we repotted it. They're doing really well over here. Oh, they've done really well for me not being there for them. Oh, that's someone's Christmas present, but I just find it to be oh so cute. I'm just going to take you through as I can. I've got you on a camera stand. I come anywhere near the phone and I can't see. So let me show you the rest of it, because I moved some stuff around. Ooh, she's just a wiggling. Yeah, my camera stand doesn't want to cooperate. I'm using the tall one. But as you can see, the bromeliad is still doing well. Still waiting for her to turn and throw me some pups, and we could separate and have new plants. I put all, of the calancho. Oh, come here, you. We're going to do a video coming up here shortly. With the calancho, we're going to cut it back and repot it for spring gifts. But I put all of the calancho in here because it just looks nice. And it looks more full. I think it does. And the canna is doing well. The parsley. Okay. It's super fantastic. I just couldn't ask for better. And then here with my English ivy. I'm having trouble rooting it. So if anyone has any special tricks that they have. I'd like to put some in my fairy garden. And I moved Alice over here. He got a little dry. Poor thing. Let me get you a better view of him. Sorry, I know this leaves a lot to be desired here, but I'm lucky I got this out, to be honest with you. I've been debating all day whether or not I could do it. So, my Swiss cheese monster, well, he didn't have enough water. He's soaking it up now, but he's getting more personality. Oh, can you see very well? Oh, and see my bisque pole? Well, that's my ghost cactus. I moved him over here. I still need to get a neon light when I can see and put him in his place in my room in the dark. I just love that so much. I think he's putting on new growth. I can never tell. But I revamped this area just a tad. And, oh well, it's not exactly the most beautiful thing yet, but it's getting there. I'm just lucky everything held on for me. Let me show you the rest. I hope you can see. I can't begin to tell you how hard this is for me to do right now. Anyway, I have little fairy lights that I put on here. They're little, well, I really like these. They're little snowflakes, but I'll blind the camera if I turn them on. But I put all these little tiny ones on without checking them first, and of course they don't work. It is such a hard hassle to get these things wound around in here. I gotta find a better solution because it just doesn't work out very well. But I had good intentions. Did you notice my little Christmas trees with the snow on them? You know, I really love this so much. I'll try to get a few close-ups in here because, well, let me see if I can take them out. No, I don't want to. Well, maybe I can. Do you see how I put the little succulents in there? Well, I'm going to put them in on the other side now because it didn't have any on the other side. I just love doing this. So, yeah, I love doing my little garden here. And while I wasn't feeling well, they were feeling good, which makes me super happy because I got some babies coming on. And my light posts are splitting and opening. What else made me super happy in here? Everything's making me super happy in here except for, ooh, yeah, we didn't do so good with the aloe vera. Oh, we'll try again. But this little fella's rooting well on here. And here, oh, come here, you. See, I put them in here to root. Can you see that? And I got this starting of baby ones coming on. Can you see that? They're really hard to see. I can't see. I'm almost completely blind. So, like I said, make sure you wear the special goggles in your plant rooms like I'm going to show you. Because my eyes are so super sensitive, I haven't been able to check my email or anything in, weeks, if not months. I wouldn't try to contact me on my email anymore, though, because it's so full all the time of spam that I don't even bother answering it anymore. But that's about it on my fairy garden. I do want to get more succulents and stuff, but all in good time. This is one of the most enjoyable things I do. And we're going to go ahead and cut these up. I do it now, but I'll wait until I do the gift baskets that I'm going to do. We're going to basically just cut a bunch of these up and root them in there. And it'll be a nice bouquet of color. You know, hopefully in time for Easter. They're my Easter gifts, so I'm certainly hoping so. And it'll show you how you can propagate these things easily. That's one of the easiest ones to propagate, actually. Not this, though. See, I'm having trouble with my English ivy. I'm not having good luck with it rooting for me. It dries out when it shouldn't. If you have any good ideas, I'm going to try doing it in water. Let me know, because I would just love to have that hanging down, you know. Otherwise, I might just take the balls down. I don't know. Tell me if you have any ideas for me. And so far, so good with it. It's one of my favorite things, actually. I just haven't been able to touch it. This one I gotta do super fast, but I lost some of my tomatoes. Oh, some kind of blight or something, but I'm gonna try to get you the best view I can here. I can't see. So it's been doing pretty good, actually. So is the onions. Somewhat. Can't really get you a good shot of those, but those onions are doing okay. And then my tomato with a heart. My cilantro. Yeah, I am so sorry. I hope this comes out for me. I really do, because this is so hard for me to do. If you see here, I forget what they're called, croton, I believe. But they were so beautiful when I got them. But I didn't get enough water to them, and I was lucky that this much came back. And this one here is its cousin. Well, it's Julius and Marius. Anyway, I'm hoping that they'll be okay. I got those for my birthday, for my family. And my silver dragon, he's coming up funky. I don't know why, but some leaves are big, some are small. I'm working with him. He's a work in progress. Here's another work in progress, little calancho. I think that's it's another jungle flower vine. And, all of my cactuses already bloomed, my Christmas and my Thanksgiving. And they're doing really well. Not doing well still with the jalapeno. Do not understand what my problem is with it. But I moved him over here, and hopefully, yes, all the aluminum foil, well, it's supposed to help, but I don't know that it is. Matter of fact, I think that it sends more light into my eyes, which is just killing me. Let's look over here. Oh, this one I may need to take out of here because he keeps getting fungus. But I treated him, and we're going to put in some perlite around him. I love that stuff. Battling fungus gnats here, oh gosh, I really love that perlite. It just seems to keep all the moisture away from the root of the plant. But, because these roots are rather shallow on succulents. But he should be giving a baby soon. Let's hope so. I just love these things. And Mark, he always ends up with some funky fungus. But, are you blooming for me, hon? Oh, come here, you. And my aluminum dream over here. Oh, he's got a little bloom on him. And the jungle flower vine, look at him. He's putting on all kinds of new growth. He told me he wanted to be moved. He needed some room. Look at him go. I just love him. And come here. These were my spider plant transplants I put in here. And it's having babies. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Oh, give me a sec. I'll find them. There you are. See? I think that's the white one. No, it's the green one. So that'll be cute. And Christopher already bloomed. Oh, he was beautiful. He gave me real hope. And Stella, we turned her. Oh, sorry. And I also trimmed her up some because, well, she's so beautiful. She doesn't deserve to have all that dead weight on her. Can you see her? I need to drop her to the floor. But I wanted to show you this because this is such healthy growth up here. All the way up. Like I said, the hydrogen peroxide and the alcohol spray and cleaning off her leaves. And she's just beautiful. I got that plant, I think it was my grandson's, well, it was our first COVID birthday with him. And it was as tall as he was. And if I dropped it to the floor, can you even see that well? Yeah, he's quite big. My grandson might be as tall as it now too. They grow so fast. Both these plants and the grandchildren. And my Alvin. Oh, my Alvin. This plant will quiver when I talk to it. I think it has hormones. I really do. Because, well, that's the wind making it move. But when I sit here and talk to him for a long period of time, he'll just start wiggling all over. He's just giving me so much joy. These plants are so easy to take care of and so forgiving, but he was in the middle of my living room, so I was noticing he needed water when I passed by. But I would absolutely recommend that plant as one of your first plants because it's so easy to take care of. And Alvin, not Alvin. Oh, hold on, he needs a better view. Yes, I know, it's a mess, but I had to show you how big he's gotten. That's my yucca cane. Anyway, my grandchildren gave me that a couple years ago, and it was in their hands. I mean, he was just a little fella. Look how much he's grown. I was telling him how fabulous he was when I noticed the lights blew my ability to see. Yeah, I'm not messing around about those glasses. I'm not sure if I didn't cause my own problem or what the problem is, but you need to wear the UV protective wear on your eyes. They're green lenses. I'm going to kind of look like the Terminator, but you know, I've never really cared about that. I'll take function over sexy any day. And the ability to see would be super fabulous. I can't even look at my phone. But I wanted to share with you the little joys I have in my life here. And I'll be talking to you here soon. I got a ton of work to do here and to catch up on always. But I wanted to share this with you, and thank you so much for your support, because I know I really haven't been there. I've tried, but I can only do so much. And you know, you guys have been there for me, my subscribers, my family, you know, everyone. Thank you for that. It's just a time in my life I actually am making good use of. I am. I'll talk to you later. You have a fabulous day. You know I will as well. I'll talk to you later. Bye.